Hey, party people! Jimmy Fallon here, and let me tell you about this new movie I saw, Rifle Club. Now, I'll be honest, I thought it was gonna be all serious and stuff, like a documentary about competitive shooting. Boy, was I wrong. This movie is a straight-up comedy with more twists and turns than a barrel of monkeys on a roller coaster. We're talking small-town shenanigans, quirky characters, and enough awkward encounters to make you squirm in your seat. Imagine Napoleon Dynamite meets dodgeball with a dash of The Hangover thrown in for good measure, and you're getting close. Trust me, this ain't your grandpa's rifle club, unless your grandpa's got a wicked sense of humor and a penchant for the unexpected. So the movie centers around this group of misfits in a sleepy little town where the most exciting thing to happen is the annual pie contest. You got your awkward teenager Gary, who's more comfortable talking to his rifle than to actual girls. Then there's Brenda, the sassy single mom who could outshoot anyone in town with one hand tied behind her back. Oh, and don't forget about Dale, the conspiracy theorist who thinks the government is using the local water tower for mind control. Don't even get me started on the water tower. These unlikely heroes find themselves thrown together when the town's beloved rifle range is threatened with closure. Naturally, they band together to save the day. Hilarity ensues, and along the way, they discover the true meaning of friendship, community, and hitting your target, most of the time. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the acting's not exactly Oscar-worthy. It's more like community theater with a slightly bigger budget. But that's part of the charm, right? You're rooting for these characters, even when they're delivering lines with all the subtlety of a bull in a china shop. Plus, the jokes land more often than not, and there are some genuinely funny moments that had me laughing out loud. One scene in particular involves a runaway goat, a plate of chili cheese fries, and a very unfortunate incident with a karaoke machine. I won't spoil it for you, but let's just say it involves some questionable singing and a whole lot of mess. It's moments like these that make Rifle Club such a wild and unpredictable ride. So, the million-dollar question, is Rifle Club worth your hard-earned cash? If you're looking for a thought-provoking cinematic masterpiece, probably not. But if you're in the mood for a lighthearted comedy with a big heart, and even bigger laughs, then Rifle Club might just hit the bullseye. It's the perfect movie to watch with a group of friends, preferably with a bowl of popcorn and a healthy sense of humor. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your friends, grab your snacks, and get ready for a hilarious ride with Rifle Club. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more hilarious movie reviews and late-night shenanigans.